with a puppy. Come on. Hello, I'm looking for a puppy to be friends with.
Well, you've certainly come to the right place. Welcome to Puppy Playdates, the best in the doggy friend business. Arf, arf. What can I doggy do for you?
I'd like to take a doggy out to play fetch.
You might want to keep it down. Some of these dogs are pretty into fetch. Whoops! We've got a pawsome selection of doggy friends to choose from, but you have to choose carefully. Sometimes dogs are ready to play, and sometimes they're not.
Just like you and me. Like when we feel sleepy or just want to do other things.
That's right. Now let's pick out a friend for you. I have 2 dogs to choose from. This dog is relaxed. And this dog is growling with its teeth.
I need your help. Which dog is ready to play?
This one!
That's right. This dog looks relaxed and happy. He's ready to play.
You can pick up your doggy friend right this way.
Thank you.
Have fun playing fetch. Whoops!
Excuse me? What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time?